Home Remedies presents Magical Remedy Recipe Homemade Cold and Flu Remedy. Onion syrup is a magical remedy passed on to me by a pediatrician many years ago. Believe it or not, it works. My son caught a cold and his chest was congested, so I decided to give it a try. I coarsely chopped an onion, you can use red or white, it doesn't matter, and put it in a bowl. Then I covered it with about half cup of sugar, sealed it with a cling, and let it rest overnight. The next morning the onion was floating on a lake of syrup, which I carefully strained and transferred to a mason jar. I gave a tablespoon of it to my son as his first dose. I started noticing a difference. His congestion diminished, and he felt better. I faithfully repeated the dose every few hours, like 4 to 6 hours gap, and by the second day he was like new. This became my favorite anti-congestion syrup because it worked every time, and it was all natural. Forward it to others as well. Health is precious, and so is caring for others. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.